part 2.
Now let's look at the next picture. Okay, look at it carefully. Now, what is Neha doing here? What is Neha doing in this picture? Okay, next question. Do you think she is enjoying it? Do you think, looking at her, do you think she's enjoying it? Okay, next question. What is the expression on her face? What is the expression on her face? Expression means, children, see, look at my face now. Now I'm showing you one expression. I'm showing you one expression. Second expression. So expression means when you look at your face and you can tell you're happy, you're sad, you're bored, you're not having fun. Okay, so expression means that. Looking at your face, I can tell how you are feeling. Okay, so expression means look at Neha's face and tell how is she, how are her eyes. Her eyes are like this, no, up like that. So she's bored, right? She doesn't look happy in this picture. So what is the expression on her face? Now, last question of this page. What are the other things you see in this picture? You can see some things, no, in this picture. What are they? What are the things you can see in the picture? Let's turn to the next page. Look at the picture carefully, children, and I would like you to answer. I hope you're doing that. Okay. First question. What is this person? Sorry. Why is this person calling Neha? Why is this person calling Neha? See, someone is calling Neha. Why the person is calling Neha? For what that person is calling Neha? Okay. Next question. What do you think Neha will say? What do you think Neha will say? Okay, so children, now let's look at the next page. Okay, are you looking at this picture, children? Look at it carefully. Okay, now my first question. What is Neha doing? In this picture, what is Neha doing? Next question. Do you think she is enjoying it? Do you think, looking at her face, do you think she is enjoying it? Enjoy means she's liking it. She's having fun doing it. Do you think she's enjoying it? Okay. Why do you think so? Why do you think that she is enjoying? What makes you feel that she is enjoying it? Okay. Next question. Do you have a bath every day? Children, I hope all of you are having a bath every day. All of you are brushing your teeth. It is very important for us to brush our teeth twice a day. Okay, we should brush our teeth 2 times in a day. And also you have to clip your nails, you have to comb your hair, and you also have to shampoo your hair regularly. All these are good habits. We have to follow them because then we can remain, our body, our mind, everything remains healthy and clean. Okay, children? Good. Now let's move to the last page of the story. Now, what do you see in this picture? What do you see in this picture? What is Neha doing? In this picture, Neha is doing something. What is she doing? Okay. Isn't it fun? See, don't you feel what you're looking, the picture is a fun picture? Yeah? Do you enjoy blowing bubbles in the bath? Children, tell me truthfully, honestly, come on. When you have a bath, you also play with water, no, and make bubbles? It's fun, na? Okay. Next question. How many times in a day do you brush your teeth? Come on, you have to give me an honest answer. How many times How many times in a day do you brush your teeth? 1 time or 2 times? I brush my teeth 2 times. Yes? Good. Now let's listen to the last question. Is it okay not to comb and shampoo your hair? Is it okay if you don't comb and shampoo your hair? Imagine tomorrow when teacher comes to make a video, I have not combed my hair. How will I look? Isn't it? So if we comb our hair, if we shampoo our hair is neat and tidy, and also children, we don't get lice in our hair. Okay, so it's very important to comb and shampoo our hair regularly. So children, I hope you have enjoyed answering the questions. I hope you have answered the questions. Right, and I want you to read the story, Neha who says no, and also maintain personal hygiene. You have to trim your nails, have a bath daily, brush your teeth twice a day. Okay children, so till we meet again, stay happy, stay healthy and clean.